in San Francisco and Virginia Beach, Costa Rica and China, Australia and Malawi, and at home in the UK. Toby, my videographer, has created videos to go with my recipes and the blogs.
1, 2, 3 and action.
But I'm not going to go through all of those. You could see them on YouTube, you could read my recipes, or even possibly buy the book. The Navy theme was really important to me. The prize, like Jason Roberts' book, celebrates James Holman. Both of us were blinded while serving in the Royal Navy, but 200 years apart. But I wanted to capture a sense of the Navy that he knew.
For one says I and the other says no. We are three jolly boys all in a row.
And the modern ships that he could have barely imagined. I celebrated 100 years of women in the British Navy. Cheers. The sheer size of the American Navy in Virginia Beach and Norfolk. But there were more serious risks. We couldn't get out of China because of a visa problem. We were caught up in Tropical Storm Nate. If we'd delayed our cross-country drive by just 1 hour, we might have been stranded in Costa Rica for another week. It took a major air-sea rescue to save Toby and another friend from near death in Australia. And I nearly died in a car accident while exploring possible French cooking opportunities. I had to wear this neck brace for months and had other damage to my memory, concentration and speech, let alone my mobility. Life is all about taking risks, and we survived to tell the tale. The magic of our adventure was showing that a shared passion builds bridges and breaks down barriers. Whether those bridges are between cultures, like learning from Aboriginal Fred.
Thank you. It's what it's all about.
Like being welcomed into Charlie's eclectic hostel in Chongqing.
Delicious. Oh, thank you so much.
Music with Albino Lazarus in Lilongwe. And village cooking in Malawi.
How is it?
It is delicious.
Thank you.
Cooking together brought us together. And of course, I'm not alone in being a blind cook. There was Maribel in Melbourne.
Don't you worry about a thing.
The Albino group in Malawi.
Cheers!
The Sight Loss group in the UK.
Well, you were cheeky and you took out some of the chilli, didn't you?
Yes,
Yeah.
because I was worried.
But lots more blind people want to cook.
Aha! Yes, I can hear it. I can hear it.
The National Association in Costa Rica. The young women in China who barely knew how to hold a knife. Being able to feed yourself is the absolute core of independent life. Everybody needs it. But let me end now on some more musical notes. The stunning dance in Malawi. Our opera singing hostess in Chongqing. The echo in the French hospital, where I was having to learn to sit, stand and walk again.